Okay. What I'm trying to do is recreate a rainforest. I'll show you what I've done. I've got the hose up there, going into a rain machine, and then I've lined the top of it with leaves from the Monstera plant. What do you think? Is there anything else I can get for you guys? Warm and dry in there if you don't like the rainforest. It's just dry over there if you don't like the rainforest. But if you like the rainforest, it's there for you. Alright? Who's going to go under first? I reckon it'll be you, Fred. Go on. Stick your head in. Come on, do it for me. You're good for your chest. You want to be a handsome boy?